Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today me and Mom are going to be making custard pudding.
Yay! Custard pudding from Malina. So for the custard pudding, I have 2 cups of milk. I have 1.5 cup in here. The other half here. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 4 teaspoons of custard powder, 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom. So let's get started. Right, Henry?
Sure, let's get started.
So I have the milk on here, 1.5 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'll just pour 1 teaspoon. 4 teaspoons of sugar, 1. You can start it. 2, 3, 4. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Amy, stir it. And I have the half cup of milk here. I'll add 4 teaspoons of custard powder. Starting to boil, I'll add the custard mixture. Still warming up. Okay, I'm pouring the custard mixture. The custard is started thickening. See that? I have a grease bowl here. I'll pour the custard inside when it's cool off and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. I will show you. So now I'm pouring the custard. It's all cool off. That's nice.
So the custard pudding is done. This is how it looks like. So me and Melina will taste the beautiful pudding. Yes. How does it taste? It's good. My turn. Delicious. It's very creamy and very delicious. A million stars, Mom.